So you've gone in and created a new menu, even set up menu groups inside of it, and put items inside of the menu group, and here they are. But you got a problem, they're not showing up in your reporting. Well, it's because you missed an easy step in this menu itself. You want to go to Edit. And then down here, you scroll down and you'll find this reporting section, and you actually have to set the reporting sales category in order for it to show up in your reporting. Weird, I know that this is not automatically prompted, but nonetheless, there you are. And if you want to create an entirely new sales category, we'll just click into here, Manage Sales Category, add yourself a Popsicle, figure out how to spell the word Popsicle, and you're good to go. Click Save, and now this should successfully report that new menu's sales inside of this category. Now, the other thing to note is that if you have multiple menu groups inside of your menu itself, so if I had Popsicle groups 1 and 2 down here, you can actually go into Edit and scroll down to the reporting section and change the specific reports. It defaults to where it's linked up to what we just set in the menu. But if you want one report to go to beans, for instance, and the others to be linked up, you can actually change that per menu group inside the menu down here in the settings for the menu group itself. After you select this, make sure you click Save and then Publish All Changes for that to actually take effect. Like you, I've spent a lot of time banging my head against the wall in POS systems like Toast, and Toast is great. It's what I currently recommend, but it's not perfect, and it is cumbersome to learn these things out of the gate. I've got a playlist where I go through more how-tos that have come up in our experience. If you want to hear more about this, let me know in the comments below for what you need covered. Subscribe to the channel if you like stuff like this, or yours truly and want to see more about it. Have a great one.